Hello, my name is Jinjun Shan. I'm a professor of space engineer from Department of Earth and Space Science and Engineering, Lausanne School of Engineering at York University. In this project, we will focus on drone delivery. It is a sustainable alternative to traditional delivery method. Drone delivery can provide more cost-effective, faster, more acceptable than the traditional delivery method. The most exciting part of the research is the potential to develop enabling technology for drone delivery and insights that could have a positive impact on society, addressing important issues and improving our lives. Kenneth Molson Foundation funding is instrumental in allowing my team to conduct impactful research by providing necessary resources, which will ultimately enable me to dig deeper into my research questions and produce high-quality research outcomes. Students at different levels from my group have involved in this project. They worked independently and collaboratively on different aspects, including dynamics modeling, control system design, navigation. By working on this project, they gain theoretical and hands-on experience, which will well prepare them for their future careers. Although Lausanne is relatively young, it has growing increasingly faster, not only in reputation, but also in research. Lausanne's space engineering programs was ranked number 1 in Canada, number 26 in the world in 2024. It indicates Lausanne researchers' strong research capabilities and contributions to the field.
Hi, so my name is Arid. I am master graduate from Professor Shan's lab. I work with autonomous robot, control design, and computer vision. For the Q drone, you can see here one of the drones of our labs. You can see that they have the main camera and some other cameras here. So I work mostly on the computer vision part, in which we will detect some objects around the workspace of the drone. Making sure that you can overcome challenges is what I learned most during working in this project, because sometimes you can face lots of challenges, especially working with these complex scenarios like controls or computer vision. What I learned the most was to face a challenge and find a solution when you find yourself in a place where you don't have a way out. In general, drones, autonomous robots can help people achieve and work with the things that they're not able to do by themselves, like working in a remote site or in an environment that might be hazardous to us humans. One of the coolest things I've done while I was here was participating on a CSA campaign, which we launched a balloon into the stratosphere. So I work on control parts for that and some calibration. I participated in this launch campaign and was one of the amazing things that I had. While you're here at the lab, gives you lots of opportunities, and you have the liberty to choose what kind of path you would like to follow, and giving you the opportunity to work not only on a main project, but to participate in other projects will make you develop new qualities as a person, and I think that's really important for your career. You'll be working with different people on multiple projects, and you're gonna learn a lot, so I think that's the main point of working in this lab, so I would really recommend that.
Hello, I am Ahmed Aitman. I'm a master student in Earth and Space Science Engineering. This is my first year, and I'm working also as a research assistant in SDCN lab under the supervision of Professor Jinjun Shan. Now I'm working on adding a cable adjustment mechanism attached to the Q drone too, so we can adjust the length of the cable which connected the payload to our drone, so it can use to pick objects or deliver packages from one place to another. I'm working on making the actuation and the power fully with the View drone too, without using any external inputs. Then I will be going to print it with using the 3D printer we have in our lab and make some tests using the MATLAB and Simulink software to test our algorithm on the View drone too. One of the coolest projects that I was working on is delivering the ribbon on the ribbon cutting event. So we used 2 Q-pods and we add our mechanism which holds a ribbon till the stage, and it was stretching like this, and then it was cut by the York University. So that was the coolest project that I was working on. I would recommend this program for students who are working on robots, autonomous vehicles, and autonomous system, because this program offers to you different experience which can use like a Q drone, Q car, Q pods, and you have the platform so you can go and you can test your work on.